Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Remove the back cover. Remove the old battery. Place the new battery into the battery compartment. Install the housing in the correct direction and position. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.